DJI Avata 360. Easy ACRO. You can perform easy ACRO actions in 360-degree mode. Enabling easy ACRO. Open the shortcut menu from the goggles view and select Easy ACRO. After taking off, use the dial on the motion controller to switch between easy ACRO actions. Slide. The slide action is the same as in normal mode. Push the joystick up or down to make the aircraft ascend or descend. Push the joystick left or right to make the aircraft move left or right horizontally. (180° drift). Push the joystick left or right to make the aircraft rotate 180 degrees left or right. When pressing the accelerator to fly forward, push the joystick left or right to perform a 180 degrees drift. Keep pressing the accelerator to maintain the drift. Once the accelerator is released, the drift will stop. If an emergency situation occurs, press the lock button to brake and hover. Flip. Push the joystick up or down once. The view shows a forward or backward flip effect, but the aircraft does not flip. Push the joystick left or right once for a side flip effect. Push repeatedly to perform continuous flips. You can perform these flips while flying to capture creative shots. Juicy flick. Push the joystick up once. The aircraft rotates, and the view shows the juicy flick effect.